Somebody ought to come along and let you down, so you could see my side and how it feels to hit the ground. How can you say that nothing's different, that we should pick up the pieces? Somebody ought to come along and let you down. If you still wanted to be loved, you should have never let me go.
Oh, it's got water. Steve, go get your fucking drone. How's that look? If you ride...
I was going to say, did we just go the long way around?
We could ride all the way. We could ride right down.
Right down in it, yeah.
How did we get here? How did we get this side? So we're going to come the other side of the hill. Do you want to go find it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Guys, me and Steve-O might have stumbled across something here. Now, we're probably going to peg this and we're going to call the RKA fucking mine. All we're going to do is we're going to hire Sheilas and bikinis. That's it. Something. Guys, RKA, you know, we go everywhere, don't we, Steve-O?
We are thrill seekers, mate.
We're going to cut the prospects in Perth, Lance and Tony. They're going to come up here and they tell me they don't do dirt roads. I give the tip, boys. We're going to be pissing on you for a start. You get in the club. And Stephen reckons he might do a little log on you as well. Fucking just a fucking... Hey? You got to earn the patch. You got to earn the patch, Steve-O, RKA, as you know. Steve-O, you know if you get hungry out here, can you eat these things? Can you eat fucking plants or not, do you know?
I'm not the bush tucker man, mate. Are you going to have a go?
What would that be, Steve? That's the stick, is it? You can still eat that though, couldn't you? If you were hungry enough, would you eat it? Fuck, I would. No, and...
Hello.
What that is? No, it's poo. No, can't eat that. Alright, so we're going to turn around. We'll go back that way, or do we go the other way, just fucking ride straight up and come back down the other side? RKA style.
Well, that actually turned out a good thing.
Alright.
Find an access track up there.
We'll see you on the other side. I'm going to turn off and we'll see you on the other side. Yep. I think I've got much more left.
What, did you clear the card?
I cleared the card before, like last night, but because I've been doing so much recording today...
Has it filled it up already?
I reckon. And here we have. It's a nice little... Fucking hell.
It's a bloody nice one, by the way. A good stereo system.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, here we are, guys. We're at the spot where we want to be. We hope. Oh, we're sort of... No, we're not quite there, are we? We'll have to go around. Go a bit further around. We'll make sure that people see all the good shit. How's that, Steve-O?
Oh yes, yes! Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Yes.
Could be something happening, guys. Meant to record too, Steve-O. Huh? Because the first time I went out twice in my drone, both times, and didn't record it. Thought I had the best recording ever, and hadn't recorded nothing.
Oh shit.
So make sure you record. How long does your battery last for?
These are half an hour flight time apparently.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like it's 15.
Yeah, no, these are half an hour apparently.
You're a fucking arsehole, Steve. I can do that, but I need fucking 2 batteries. Ah, fuck! Suck cock! Fuck, I'm excited. I got to admit, Steve, I'm a little bit excited. And I'm more excited about your hat cam too. Fuck, it's good, I like it. I wish I had one. Oh, hello. What's going on? What's happened?
I've got to take the gimbal protector off.
Oh. Oh, fuck. Make sure you push record on your phone.
I'm stuck.
Eh? Are you going to get it meeting up there?
Ah, there we go.
Oh.
Just going through its test.
Oh. Fucking hell.
Take off with caution. Alright, so we're in P mode. This is the
We're in P mode!
this is the first fly, mate.
It's fast fly! Taiwan! Oh, look at that.
Yeehaw!
Have you got it on record? Recording on your phone? Yeah?
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. 'Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try, this is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just...
Well, someone's pride and joy. Probably still looking for it. She definitely got pretty hot. Oh well, guys, another adventure day.
Yeah.
Another RKA fucking great day. So if you like our vlogs, fucking subscribe,
Yeah.
subscribe, and we'll keep you updated. We're going to go all over Kalgoorlie. We're going to go to places that people never seen, hard to see places. We'll be there. So we sort of upload every week. So
Yeah, put something up every week.
yeah, and today's been another great day. Steve has got his new drone, which worked out really well. I think he's got some great footage. So like I said, keep subscribing, guys, and if you need any places you want us to go or anything, drop a line in the old comments, and we'll see where we go, eh?
See if we can find it for you.
No worries. Thanks, guys.
See you next time.
Sorry, Steve, did you say something?
See you next time.
See you next time.
Cap cam.
That's a nice cap, Steve. I like it.